welcome back to the channel. Just another little site access video, this time from Wirral Country Park Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We pick it off coming from the north on the M53 at junction 3, and we want to get the A552 up to Arrow Park. And if you were coming from the south on the M53 coming off at junction 3, you'd come off at this exit here. So we want to do a left here onto the A552 to Arrow Park. This is the exact route the Caravan and Motorhome Club site tell you to take, or advise you to take. See, there's the sign there, the brown sign at the bottom there, Arrow Park. That's where we want to go. So I'll just speed this along. You come to this junction where traffic's coming from the right, but they're actually traffic signal controlled. You come up to this junction here, and now we want the A551 to Heswell. So you do a left here, and when you get to the next junction there's a roundabout and you want to do a right to Irby. So you go around this roundabout, and then it's only about 60, 70, 80 yards until you want to do a pretty much immediate right again. Little signpost on the left here just to say an Irby. So you want to do a right here at this junction. And if you remember right, it's called Irby Road. So I'll speed it up again, and you come to the village. This is Irby Village. There's always cars on this left hand side, so take care because the traffic coming the other way can't see you, and they never stop for you. So you come to the junction. We want to do a right onto Thurston Road. So right here onto Thurston Road. I'll speed it up again, and because you stay on this road now until you come to another roundabout. So I'll speed it on, and this is the roundabout. You want to go straight on at this roundabout onto Station Road. If you go left there, it'll take you to Heswell, where there's shops and a supermarket. There's an Aldi, pubs and what have you. And if you carry on, you can go up to Chester, the historic city of Chester. So this is a left turn here onto Station Road. I'll fast forward it to the junction where you want to do a right, continuing on Station Road. This route's pretty straightforward. There's pretty much nothing really can cause you any grief or any problems. Nice easy straight run. So when you come to the end of this road, you're met with this. The Wirral Country Park's on the left hand side where that white car's coming out, or silver car. There's the visitor centre, there's a cafe, and there's also bike hire. We want to go straight on over that bridge there where that van is. And then you come to the end of the road where you want to do a right, where you'll be greeted with the static caravan park. There's a few speed bumps, so obviously watch your speed. I want to follow that white van veering left, and then probably 800 yards, something like that, you'll come to where that blue man is in the blue jacket. That's where the entrance to the site is. As usual, typically enough, the white van gets in my way, so with the power of editing software, I'm going to make him go away. Abracadabra, boom, he's gone. So here's the entrance to Wirral Country Park Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Hope you found that video useful. Till the next time, ta-ra.